Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to create simple GUI program using Python. First of all, we have to import some packages. I'm gonna import from Tkinter package, import all. So this code mean is import all from Tkinter package. So then I have to make the variable, which is, you can type any name in here. I am typing root because my window is root window. I have to assign this method to this root variable. This method is which is inside in this tk in the package. I have to give the title to our root window. Root title. I'm going to give title as welcome to root window. Then I have to mention which size is our root window. So I give root geometry as I want this 350 width and 200 height. Like this. I have to add this root variable. Then I have to run this root variable, root main loop. I'm add this to main loop, which is inside this Tkinter method. This method will run our root window, the output of this code. So you can see this is our root window. So now I want to add some label in here. So I have to create the variable as label, and I have to get the method which is from Tkinter label, and I want to add this label inside this root window, which is the test is are you indeed. The test is this, and I have to make which place we want to add this label. Consider as this window as columns and rows. So this is 0 column and 1 column likewise, and this one is 0 row, 1 row likewise. So I'm going to give label dot grid and if we run this one, so you can see our label is appear in our root window. Then I want to add the button to this root window. First, I want to make a method. What happens if I click the button? If I got click, I want to change this label test as I got click. Now I have to mention the variable in here as button, and I have to pass the method which is inside the Tkinter package button. I want this one inside the root window, and I want to test of this button is click me. I want this test color, which is foreground color, as blue. If I click this button, I want to run the command as our method. So I have to add this button to our root window. So I'm going to add grid, and I have to add this one, column 1 in row 1. This line of code add our button to in front of this label. In the output we have the button, and if it is working. So this is my button. So here you have this button and you have this label. I want this button and label the same line. So here how I can do that. I have to make that row value into 0. So the button will goes up. You can see here, I will agree, click me. If I click this one, the test will automatically change. I don't click. I want to input some value to this root window. Here how we can import. I have to make a variable test, and I have to get entry inside of root window. I have to give the width of our entry as 10. So width, and we have to make this appear on our root window. Column 1 and row 0. So if this also in column 1, this also in column 1. So let's see what will happen if both 2 is in column 1. I think it is overlapping one by one. Here we have overlapping. I agree. We have this input test behind this button. So I want this button in here. So here how I can do that. I have to mention this column as 2. So if I am run this one now, the output will be, you can see I will read. Then you have to type yes and make click. You have this button here. So I want, if I click this button, I have to change this test as, which is our input test. So here how we can do that. We have to make variable as response, pass our test value to this res variable. So here how I can pass this one. I can pass this test get the test value, and it will pass to the res. That's what this line of code means. And this one, label configure as test I.click. We have to give plus icon and res. So the output will be in this one. If I click this button, it will run this method and get the test value to this res variable, and label will change I.click. If it is yes, yes. If it is working or not. So the output will be, so this is our root window. I will read yes. If I click this one, this will change I.click and yes. Here you can see I.click and yes. We want this little bit space on there. How we can add this space? Just adding space as T. T mean like tab. I will get yes. No, not the T. We have to add this one. This. So you can add this keyword, and you have to add the space with this our input test and our label test. So if I run this one now, we have type here in yes, click, and you have I got click, yes. You can see there's a space is too much. So I can try with this way. So just type space and run this one now. So now I'm going to type yes here and it will I got click, yes. So this all for today video. You guys learned today how we can add the button and add the label, how we can input the text in Python root window using Tkinter package. So see you guys in the video. Subscribe the channel, like the video.